Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix GeForce Experience Error Code. It's pretty simple and easy. Make sure to follow all the steps. So let's get started. Okay, so for step 1, we have to restart NVIDIA services. So make sure you hit Windows plus R and then type services.msc. After pressing enter, click OK and go to the services window. Once you're on the services window, search for those that start with NVIDIA. You can right click on each service one after the other while selecting the restart option in the drop-down. So once you've finished restarting all the services, the next step is to relaunch GeForce Experience and check whether the error has disappeared. If not, you can proceed to method 2. Keep following. For the method 2, you have to update NVIDIA GPU's drivers. So hit Windows plus R and then type devmgmt.msc. Press enter and then open Device Manager. Make sure to navigate to the Display Adapters section and to expand it. Next, right-click on your NVIDIA GPU driver, select Update Driver, as you can see here. For the next step is to select Search automatically for drivers. If the problem still occurs, don't worry. Now we have to permit NVIDIA service to interact with the desktop. So first step is to launch the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and hit enter again. Once the services screen displays, navigate to the NVIDIA telemetry container service, right click on the service, then select properties. When the next window displays, click the logon tab, navigate to the local system account section and select allow service to interact with desktop. To save your changes, press the apply button and then click OK. Lastly, navigate to the previous services screen and ensure all NVIDIA services are running. You can do that by right clicking on each service and selecting the start option. You can then reboot your computer to confirm whether the error has disappeared or not. If the error isn't solved yet, all you have to do now as a last step, you have to reinstall all NVIDIA components. So hit Windows plus R and then type app.wiz.cpl on the Run dialog box. Then press enter to launch the programs and features. You'll then view all the NVIDIA programs installed on your computer. Right click on each program one after the other while selecting the uninstall option. Once you've uninstalled all the NVIDIA components, restart your PC. Then head to the official GeForce Experience website to re-download them. Once the system has automatically downloaded and installed all the components, restart your PC. Next, launch GeForce Experience and check whether the error has disappeared or not. Hope this video is helpful and your problem is fixed. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.